Welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to add the fog effect. But before we are going to continue, I have told you that you should adjust the light. And from here, I have add more lights, and you can just from here you can see. Just before we are going to do, just add a light. Just add a light, area light, and just scale the light to match the area, match with this area, and just bring it down and just press S to match this area. And here you can see, and you can also adjust the properties that just to hide these. We have other lights which are actually affecting the, just select this one and just from here to turn this, these, play with these settings. So uh, try to match, just you can see a light, just I think here is the light, and just if I just turn this off, you can, yes, you can see, and play with the settings. Also select which light behave or affect the, just the scenes. You can adjust the settings, and you can also adjust the light here. Just here you can see the lemon. Now what we are going to do, we are going to add a fog effect, and just for this go to the shader mode and just bring it up, and just from here, first thing first, add a cube. Just add a cube and increase the size of cube so that all the particles just, and from here just go to the display properties of cube. Make sure display the, and switch to the wire mode. Now if you can see all the, now from here just go to the, or you can simply, we want to focus on the cube, and for this what I am going to do, just switch to the solid mode, and from here just press forward slash. Make sure your cube is selected, create a new material, and just from here just delete this node and add a, as this is behave like a volume, so search for uh, principal principal volume. Yes, perfect. And just match to the volume. Now next thing what we are going to do, we are going to add a brightness, brightness and contrast, and just brightness and contrast, and also add a color ramp. Perfect. Now next thing what we are going to, we want to mix two colors, so add a mix color, and also add on noise texture, and just make sure select the next texture and press T to bring the texture coordinates and mapping, and also add a gradient texture node. Perfect. Now just switch to the object to vector, and then also change the, connect the color to median, and this color to color, and then result to the factors, and also vector to the vector, and from here connect the color, and from here color A to B. What what is happening. If I just want to switch to the perfect. Now we want to just change the angle, and if I just change the angle to I think minus 90 degree, you can see this black like minus 90 degree. And also if I go to change the density to 0, and from here if I just bring the color to decrease the area, and is if I go to here, you can see the just change the effectiveness. Our scene is getting a little bit, just bring to the down, and you can match as you play with the settings as you want. And now from here just forward slash and just select this, and if I want to change its color, go to the and just add a color, and just from here little bit green, just bring it to green. And also select the I think also select this plane, sorry, just check select this plane, why is happening, just turn this off, select this plane, and also just change its color to the, and just turn this on, and adjust the values, just control Z, just go to turn on, and just the value, so you can see the results. And you can also add the lights here, just from switch to the, if I just select this one, control shift D, then duplicate, and just bring it down so we can see the brightness. And also shift D and bring this light to near these strawberries, and just zoom in, and you can see the results as we are getting, just we want to add a light here, just bring this light, shift D to the on this, and just actually you did not know how many lights you need to make this scene. Sometime we need so many lights, so we have to play and keep organize these lights, so you can getting the better and better results. So just you can also bring those lights, and you can see. So I think we are good to go. And if you just want to the just select this, and from here just go to the mode, and if you want to just bring this up, just so you can get the results as you desire. So from here just go to the just from output, and from output sorry, go to the render, and from here just go to the 120 samples, and from here just go to the color management, and from change AGX to filmic, and from here just go to the medium contrast. You can also search the very high contrast, but here I think medium contrast is medium high contrast or medium contrast is okay, and just increase the 0.3 exposure. Perfect. You can just adjust the light here. So I am done with lights here, and also we have complete our workshop here. I hope you have learned a lot from this workshop, and I am waiting for your project submission. And I am also going to add a bonus lecture where we will animate this uh, bottle and water particles. So that's it for this lecture and workshop. Best of luck and see you in future. Before we are going to wrap this, you can just go to here and click on the render image, so you can render the image and also show your result. Okay, take care, goodbye, see you in future workshop.